Hi, today I'm building a table with chevron pattern top. I'm hoping that it's gonna turn out nice. So please stay with me while I finish this masterpiece. Masterpiece. Buenas naman puro man eh. Tara! To start off, I'm cutting 2x4s into lengths for the table legs. Oh, dust everywhere. If you can recommend a vacuum or dust extractor, it will be great. I'll run these through the table saw to make 4 pieces. By the way, I'm using pallet wood for this project, so this is gonna turn out a little rustic. Actually, very rustic, because I will leave the imperfections on there like the nail holes. Table legs done. Now it's time to cut the pieces for the apron. While I'm busy cutting the pieces, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe link below. Paki-subscribe po, palihog subscribe na. Support po diha mga miss, Mrs., Misters. Also, get notified of my upcoming woodworking videos by clicking on the bell icon. To connect the legs and the apron, I'm using pocket hole joinery. Now it's time to put the pieces together. I'm making sure the main structure is squared. And while I was doing that, I hit a finger. I'm turning the miter saw angle to 45 degrees to cut the pieces for the tabletop since I'm following the chevron pattern. I'm sanding all the pieces for the top. Half of them I stained with coffee. I just dissolved instant coffee powder in a few spoons of water. The other half I left as is with their natural color. Using circular saw, I'll cut the excess wood on the sides. Then sand the whole thing. This is just sanding sealer. This is now how it looks. It does not have a top coat yet because I'm not sure what to use. So what do you think is the best top coat to finish this table? Comment down below. I'll be creating more videos, so please subscribe. Thank you.